Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to increase and boost your Telegram download speed. The best part? You don't need to be a Telegram premium user to achieve this. With a few simple settings, you can enjoy faster downloads, whether you're downloading movies, documents, or other files. Slow download speeds can be frustrating, but by following these steps, you'll be able to fix it. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Data and Storage. Next, select Storage Usage and then click Clear Cache. This action will free up space on your device and may help improve your download speed. Now, still under Data and Storage, click on Data Usage. Select Mobile Data and scroll down to the Auto Download settings. Turn this option on, and if you have a good data plan, set the data usage to high. Here, you can also choose which types of media download automatically when using mobile data. Once you've adjusted the settings for mobile data, move to Wi-Fi and repeat the same process. Scroll down to the auto download settings and set it to high. Lastly, go to roaming and again scroll down to auto download settings and set it to high. Following these steps should bring noticeable improvement to your Telegram download speeds. Additionally, always make sure you have a strong internet connection and keep your Telegram app updated for the best performance. If you have any questions about fixing slow Telegram downloads, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.